Hello everyone, I am Amit Kumar Tiwari from BSc IT first year and I am going to present ternary operator in C. So what are its uses? We use ternary operator question mark colon to perform the task of if-else statement. It is a shorthand method. We use it in place of if-else. If the condition is true, the result of question mark will be returned, and if the condition is false, the result of colon will be returned. How it is written? First, here is the preprocessor directive main function, and here is a int random, and the condition will be placed here. Expression, if the condition is true, it will be shown, and if the condition is false, that will be shown. Comparison with if-else statement. This is if-else. Here we put condition, and if the condition is true, this line will be going to execute, and if here is else, if it is not true, then this will be executed. But here in ternary operator, we place condition here, and the expression is going to execute. Question marks expression is going to execute, and if the condition is not true, the colon expression will be going to execute. Here I have written a program. If the condition is I have written a program. In this you have to enter your age. If your age is above 18, you are eligible to vote, and if your age is below 18, you are not eligible to vote. So we are going to execute this program. Here it is asking to enter the age. Let's say we are going to take age like 21. If we enter, it is saying you are eligible to vote. Let's take another example. Here we will take the age below 18. So I am going to take 15. It is saying you are not eligible to vote. This is how it works. Thank you, that's all. If anyone has any question, you can ask.
Sure. Which is faster, this one or if-else system?
Both are fast, but it depends on you. If the condition is short and you have to execute if-else statement in a short way, then you can use it, and you can go with the if-else also.
And what is the syntax of ternary operator?
This is how we write. It is the condition. We write. This is the condition. Then we write question mark, and we write expression here. If the expression is true, this line is going to execute, and then we write colon. If the condition is false, this line is going to execute. Anyone else?
My question from the batch is, can you do the nesting of ternary operator?
Yes.
Nesting is possible?
Yes.
The way you are doing the nesting of if-else, the same way you can do the nesting of ternary operator also. Either you can start with another ternary operator as a part of true block or as a false block. And it can be further nesting, right? So that thing also you have to work on, how you are going to use the nesting of ternary operator. Clear? The way, if you have a program of nested if or else, the same program try to convert into nested ternary operator, right? So So anyway, it was a good presentation, but I will be having a certain suggestion about you, right? But anyway, so far it is a good presentation. I'll give you the suggestion after some time. Thank you.